Now I'm recording the footage you're seeing now on my DJI Pocket 3 camera, which I adore. I absolutely love the footage that comes from this, and maybe this is a good comparison for you. But the problem with it is that it's so delicate. Honestly, I've had really bad moments of terror with my Pocket 3 and my Pocket 1 as well. I put this camera on the wall and it just fell off. Oh no! The magnetism wasn't strong enough to hold it to the metal thing in the wall. It is so nice having a camera that I can just hold at this kind of distance. It doesn't have to be like that. It's like my Sony ZV-1. I can hold it like this, and it just feels really comfortable. It's so light. If you want a hand grip, I'll put a link in the description. It feels so good, and it also feels good that I could just drop this. I could hurl it into the grass, and I know it'll be okay. I've got one other immediate first impression. It's a bit of a niggle. Let's turn the camera around. And it might just be the suction cup holder, but this magnetic holder here with the multifunction view thing, I've forgotten what it's called now. Look at the wobble on it. It really wobbles. I don't know if it's because of the weight of the stack, but if I put the camera straight onto this, it's pretty rock steady, to use DJI's term. But this is big wobble. That obviously you probably won't even see it on screen because of the stabilization, but it's a little bit irritating if I'm going to be really finicky. And maybe, shall I give you a little comparison, just quick comparison? I'm going to make a whole video about this, comparing the DJI Osmo Nano with the DJI Pocket 3, but just for the fun of it, let's just give you a quick comparison. So holding the two cameras side by side, I'll just give you a pan. Let's see if we can catch up with Casper. I'm holding the cameras in a really strange way. Just hold side by side, just to give you as close a comparison as possible. So this is the DJI Osmo Nano, and this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Does it have the word Osmo in it? I don't know. The DJI Pocket 3. I'll just cut between them again. So this is DJI Nano, and let's run up to Casper. Casper, come here. Come. Good boy, come. And this is the Pocket 3. Just to give you a comparison, I'm sure there are settings in here that might be affecting things, but just as kind of a first glance, cutting between the two, it'll just give you an idea of what the differences might be straight out of the box for the DJI Nano. Let's do some movement. Casper's not playing ball. Come here, Casper. Casper, good boy. Casper. Right, let's go in. Good boy. I'm now going to wear the DJI Osmo Nano. Hidden under here, I'm wearing the lanyard, and if I turn it round, it should just snap on without grabbing too many chest hairs. There we go. So this is me walking around on D-warp and horizon balancing stabilization. It's so steady. I'm like a human tripod. And this is how it looks to wear. It's a bit difficult to gauge from the different videos online of how big this looks. Does it look like a brooch? I'll let you be the judge of that. This is how it looks to wear. And if I cut back to the camera, I mean, it's quite a boring it's quite a boring shot, isn't it? Because it's so steady. And this is where the hat clip comes in. I've got the hat clip that's fresh from where Casper was wearing it. If I take off the camera, it's a really strong magnet, and then put on the hat clip, and then clip the Nano to the hat clip, I can now have some control over the tilting. So if I cut back to the Nano, I've got a bit less sky now, so that is a much better shot. I mean, obviously on my chest the camera is protruding somewhat, and it's wobbling as well because you know, the weight of it is now away from the lanyard, and it's kind of pulling on my shirt, so it is wobbling around. It's not very discreet at all. But if I cut back to the Nano's point of view, you can see that it's a much better framed shot. And if I tilt it down even more, I can tilt it down on the hat clip, so I can really focus on the path here. You've got some degree of controlling the frame while you're wearing it, but it does look really stupid. You look at it, it's just wobbling around. Not that you could tell that from the footage. If I cut back to the camera, it's so steady. That's the Rocksteady stabilization. Wow, this is much more footage than I thought I was going to take. This was supposed to be just opening the box, first impressions review. I've tried to show you some things on the camera. So what do you think? Is this something that you might use for your YouTube channel? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I just get these things out of the box and start recording, so I hope there's something in this video that you might find useful if you're deciding whether or not to get one of these. I've put all my DJI Osmo Nano videos into this playlist on screen now, and obviously if you hit subscribe you'll be able to see my updates. I'll share how things go with this camera. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up button if you've made it to this point in the video, and good luck with your DJI Osmo Nano.